My Masonic journey as Master of this Lodge may have concluded today, but our journey together towards achieving great feats as brothers continues. In life, there's a saying that behind every successful man is a very supportive woman, which in my case is none other than my lovely wife. In Masonry, on the other hand, behind every successful master are a very supportive lodge members. My brothers of San Marcelino Masonic Lodge number 380, without you, I cannot spell success. We, the members of this lodge, are confident that you are more than qualified to execute the duties and responsibilities of the office that you have been given, and never fear the challenges you are to face, for you will not be alone, my brother. Always remember that we are here and more than willing to support you and extend any help you may need during your travel as worshipful master of this lodge.
So over the years, the Masonic Lodge had been known of its service reputation. It has served and actually expanded its visibility not only region-wide, not only nationwide, but worldwide. You get yourselves involved in numerous charities, community service projects, and take active roles in assisting the local communities. Please continue with your good works and let us remain to be committed in the name of servanthood. Rest assured that LGU San Marcelino will support every endeavor or undertaking of the Masonic Lodge in the municipality, which I know that it will greatly benefit the marginalized sector and the community as a whole. Thank you very much once again. My warmest congratulations to the newly installed officers of San Marcelino Masonic Lodge number 380. May the great architect bless us all.
Sana yung ating advocacy, yung ating gustong gawin for our Masonic year, involve family. Sama natin yung mga anak natin. Sama natin lahat. Gawin natin na banding talaga tayo kasi never know. Learn to and dagdagan pa po natin yung time natin with our family. Gawin natin masyadong family-oriented yung kapatiran natin. Bago tayo tumulong sa iba, mali muna natin yung pamilya natin. That's my sa inyo, my plea.
Worshipful Master Thomas P. Sister, surely the road ahead will be rough and rugged. There will be constraints that will be encountered, but let the accomplishments of the previous years motivate and inspire you to work harder. Mabuhay ang loya at ang distrito ng Zambales. Mabuhay ang Masoneria. God bless Philippines. Thank you po.
Allow me to take this opportunity to speak as your fellow brother and highlight our theme for this Masonic year, harmony among brothers. Let this year be a time towards a more harmonious and brotherhood of noble men. I would like to conclude by expressing my deepest gratitude to those who helped me for one way or another to make this event a fruitful one. To my installing team, thank you. Thank you very much for the time and the effort making this event a memorable and successful. To my family, thank you for your support, patience, and understanding. To the brethren of San Marcelino Masonic Lodge number 380, Viva San Marcelino, Kabsat!